Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I'm doing a collab with J Dolls UK and Tammy Polly. Sadly, Beth couldn't join us this time, but here's a shout out for Beth Ramsden, and do go by her channel and check out her beautiful workmanship on the little doll clothes that she does. It's incredible. Jay and Tammy and I each did a fur trim outfit on a Blythe doll. And this is what I came up with. And her name is Jill Frost. And her shoes, I don't know if you can see them, sparkle. And her earrings have that frosty sparkle also. Darren made the stand, and I love these icy-like headbands that he made. She also has a second outfit, and this is it. I don't normally say this, but I really am proud of my little doll here. She is adorable. Jill Frost is a name that Darren came up with. I said I wanted a winter name, and he made this little ice with the frost looking stand. We did the skates. Get a close up on that. I'm going to pull those off in just a second so you can see them. Her little earrings are like sparkling snowflakes. I love it. I made her little muff. Let me get it off. I've got it tied around her back because Blythe doll and the head and all that. And I like the ribbon, and I tucked that up under her little oh, I undid it too soon. That's all right. I just took the fur, and it looks really long, but because of the way their arms and hands are, I just made it longer and then doubled it up a little bit. Love it. And then her little, what do you call these, shawl. I used that Barbie pattern for this, and I was surprised that the size was correct. I have a little fur. It's fake fur that I used, and I tucked the ribbon up under for that. I thought she was cute in just her little dress. I really like this doll. I did not put fur on her sleeves because of the muff. I thought it was enough. I want to pull this skate off and show you what we have done. Let me pull this out. These are the white boots from AliExpress. And the first thing I did was I took this fabric and I glued it on to the boot, and it was not easy. I did the tongue first and then the rest of it, and I clothespined it down. Darren made these adorable little blades for the bottom. Ooh, you can see a little. Wait, let me turn it this way so you can't see the white as bad. And he made those little blades that we super glued to the bottom of the boot, and I added the fur back around the top. It's even on both. And then I took a doll needle and I put the laces back in. I looked underneath to see where the holes were so that I wasn't making a new hole that would pull loose. I absolutely love dolls in skates. Her stockings were made using the technique that J Dolls UK has shown, where you pin this to the leg and then sew it up on your sewing machine. I'm making her white stockings using I used a tutorial that J Dolls UK had using a sock. And you can do this a lot of ways. I love Jay's way. And that is, put this on your doll. And Jay, if I'm not doing this as well as you did, forgive me. And you all can also go to her channel and see this. And then what she did different than what I've seen in the past is she took the pins, and I'm making that snug, as a guide for the stitches. And she laid those out, pulling this snug all the way down, and you get a much more shapely stocking when you're done. And if you just put those in a little closer than I have them, and follow that starting at the top, and be sure and knot that up there because that's got a lot of pull. And if you just follow those pins, pulling them out as your needle gets to them, before your needle gets, oh, that one's a little short, you will have a nice tight stocking, and it'll be leg shapely. And then what I do is I bring this around. She probably did it, and that's how I know. And then I take the last one. Let me put this in alongside that foot a little tighter. And I'm putting it right where I want the seam. And then what I do at the end, she probably showed this, is put where to end that toe. And then I'll pull that off carefully. Yeah, I don't do anything slow and easy and careful, that's for sure. See how nice and tight that's going to fit? And then I carry that to the sewing machine, line this part up here, and sew right down where that is, and it makes the nicest, tightest, shapely stocking. And here's the little stockings on. They fit so well. I really like doing my stockings that way. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Do go by and see J Dolls UK and Tammy Polly's videos today. They are amazing. I can't wait to see what they have done. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.